What's up guys, this is Jake and today we're doing a very quick review of the Pet Portal self-cleaning dog brush for shedding. Now, I'm actually giving this as a gift to someone who is getting a young puppy and I am crazy excited about seeing her reaction. And I came across this brush that I'm excited to give her for a few different reasons. So first, I always like taking a quick look at the packaging so you can see it actually came in this packaging right here. You can see how it talks about that it removes mats and tangles easily, leaves your dog's coat soft and shiny. It's got a comfortable handle, which is very true. It's crazy how comfortable this is. And then it's very gentle on your dog's skin. You can also see the back of that. I obviously won't go through all of that, but if you like to take a look, you can. So what I really like about this brush, first of all, I have obviously the color black, and this is the small size. But it's very, very simple, like you normally would. There's a button here on the back. So you push this button in, and you can see the bristles came out. Now, what makes this so unique, right? So obviously all brushes come with bristles, but the difference is after you brush your dog very gently, the fur actually gets trapped in these bristles. You push this button again, it releases the bristles back in, and then all of that fur is sitting here. You wipe it off straight into the trash can, and it is self-cleansing. I mean, that is really, really nice. I've pretty much had dogs most of my life, and I hadn't seen something like this, so when I came across it, I was super, super excited. You can see the design of it right here by the Pet Portal. So if you're looking for a really good brush, I recommend checking this one out.